Hello world, welcome back to Coding Scientist Robotics and Artificial Intelligence on Jetson Nano with JetBot module. Let's take a look at it where we are. We are on lesson number 12. Alright, this is interesting guys, mounting the JetBot wheels. It's a baby cakewalk. So it's pretty easy. Let's take a look at it and I'm going to show you live. Let's do it right away guys. So this is your body and you would have received two different wheels like this. It's a pretty strong rover kind of wheel. All you need to do is just take a look at this slot. So it's kind of a rectangular slot right here. Inside this it's a kind of rectangle which should actually hand fix with your on your motor shaft. So the rectangular position should go right into this same rectangular position. Let me just redo it. Yeah, there you go. It just fixes right there. You can rotate and see your motor. You can feel the gears moving inside. All right, perfect. Now let's fix the other side. So the rectangle shape here should exactly fit into the rectangular shape of the shaft. There you go. Perfect. All right, so we got the legs for our JetBot. Guys, it's coming up really well. The build is beautiful. Now we will see what and how, and the most important part is the brain, that is the Jetson Nano brain. So until then, once your assembly is ready, let's stay tuned and I'm going to be back with the next lesson. Do keep your JetBot ready guys, because hereafter it's going to get complex and complex. We are going to get into the software part very soon in next couple of lessons. Bye bye.